Good morning, chemistry class. Today is Tuesday, March the 24th, 2020. I hope that you are having a good day and hope that you are staying safe. Now, here is the plan for the day, and I know this is a little bit late. I am going to make myself available to y'all through Google Hangouts if y'all need any assistance on stoichiometry. I know that a couple of y'all were still having some issues, so I will be there starting at 10 o'clock. I'll keep my session open from 10 to 12, and basically what you'll do is that you will go to your Liberty County Google account, and then you will find your Google Hangouts. At that point, I think what you'll be able to do is I'll see about creating a system, or just look for me, and then like I said, I'll be there. So if y'all need me, send me an email, let me know, and we'll do some video. Y'all have a good day, and y'all take care.